What's up, oh you crazy box breaking, card collecting, baseball fans? This is Scott from liveboxbreaks.com. We want to be your box breaking website. We are coming in live at 10 p.m. Eastern, 9 p.m. Central here in Wisconsin. First things first, we're going to randomize Group A and Group B, find out who has what teams in the break, and don't worry, we will print these out once they're complete and we'll give you a clear view of them. But here are all the names of the people that bought into the break in the order they bought it. There are three at the end, you'll notice, that are LBB, that is liveboxbreaks.com. Those three were not purchased, so we're going to still have the break tonight, and we're just going to forfeit those spots to liveboxbreaks.com. So let me grab this list. We're going to go to random.org here. We're going to randomize this list 3 times. That's number 1, number 2, and number 3. Quit. Make a copy. We're going to dump that right into Group A there. And now we'll get our Group B list. Doing it the same way. Start with a fresh randomizer. Same list as last time. We're going to do it 3 times. There's 1, 2, and 3. Grab that. Jump it on Group B. Quick print that out, and we'll go over the roster for you guys. And then we will get our break on. Alrighty, here is the roster. And Group B. Alright, easy enough. Here's box 4 tonight. And this one is 6 packs, 5 cards per pack. Give you a good look at that. That was just the spacer in the box. And empty box bottom. Alright, here are these 6 packs. Let's start on the right side. These are some thick ones. Alright. Up first, San Diego Padres, Tony Gwynn. Very cool card. If you haven't seen him, they come on a really nice thick stock. Again, Padres, Tony Gwynn. And that one is going to Paul E. Nice hit ball. For the Giants, Willie Mays. Very nice looking card there. And that one is going to Eric K. Nice hit, Eric. Larry Doby for the Cleveland Indians. And this one is going to Micah J. For the St. Louis Cardinals, we have a Lou Brock, number to 199. And the hit of this one is a Topps Seal magnetic holder, San Francisco Giants, Orlando Cepeda. Very nice, numbered 7 to 24. Very cool hit. That one is going to Eric K. Awesome card there, Eric. Good start. We're pack number 2. First up, for the Giants, Juan Marichal. A lot of Giant cards so far. For the Miami Marlins, Hanley Ramirez. For the Texas Rangers, Michael Young. Philadelphia Phillies, Chase Utley. And the hit of this pack is Atlanta Braves, going to Micah J. Mike Minor. On card, looks like a rookie autograph, number 10 of 25. Actually, I don't think that's a rookie card. He's been around for a while. Again, that comes in the sealed Topps sticker magnetic holder. Very cool card for Micah. Again, that is a Mike Minor, Atlanta Braves. On card autograph, number to 25. Pack number 3. Up first, for the Milwaukee Braves, so this one will actually go to the Milwaukee Brewers, because it always goes to the city of the team first. That one is going to Mike T. This makes it a little tricky with these older cards. Pittsburgh Pirates, Willie Stargell. Baltimore Orioles, Brooks Robinson. For the, what do we got here? Chicago Cubs, Ernie Banks. And hit of the box. Ooh, this one is Brave Heavy. Julio Teheran. This one is numbered 30 to 99. It's an on-card autograph, which is a very nice signature. So another hit for Micah. Cleaning up on the Braves. Alright, pack number 4. For the New York Yankees, Derek Jeter. That one is going to Pat K. Very nice card. Detroit Tigers, Ty Cobb. That one is going to Ben T. For the Milwaukee Braves, so this one will go Milwaukee Brewers, Eddie Matthews. San Francisco Giants, Orlando Cepeda. Second card of his we pulled. This one is a blue parallel numbered 150 out of 199. Tough to see. His glove there. And up next for the Cincinnati Reds, Johnny Bench jersey patch. And this one is going to Paul E. Nice hit, Paul. Alright, 2 packs left. St. Louis Cardinals, Bob Gibson. Arizona Diamondbacks, Ian Kennedy. New York Mets, Tom Seaver. San Francisco Giants, Tim Lincecum. Looks like a gold parallel, numbered 7 out of 25. Well, that one is going to Eric K. Nice hit, Eric. Let me get that focus for you. There we go. Very nice short print hit there. And the hit of this pack, Miguel Cabrera, Detroit Tigers. And that one is going to Ben T. So like there's no autograph, but at the Miggy Mash jersey patch. And that's numbered 8 out of 10. Very nice short print hit. Show you the back. Alright, last pack. First, New York Yankees, Alex Rodriguez. Let's go into Pat K. New York Yankees again, Lou Gehrig. Another nice hit for Pat. For the LA Dodgers, Sandy Koufax. And that is the first card for Bill F. Not a bad way to start the day there, Bill. St. Louis Cardinals, Lance Berkman. And that one is number 241 out of 299. And last up, Philadelphia Phillies, Cliff Lee. Very nice 2 pinstripes running down the outside edges, and this one is a nice short print, numbered 50 out of 50. And Phillies is going to Ben T. Thanks again, everybody. We will get scans of these cards and send them out, and then got a bunch of football up for next week, so if you want to get a few more breaks, get on, get your spots. Alright, later guys.